I'm going to completely take apart a FOREDOM number 10, clean it, oil it, then put it back together. This is a FOREDOM number 10. The first thing you want to do is remove it from the flex shaft. After you've done that, put in an old used burr that you don't mind getting messed up. And you start by removing this piece here. You can see the mechanism of how it works. What it does is this little piece turns down, and then it pushes that down, opening up the collet. Now, the hardest part in taking this entire handpiece apart is this, right here. You can see the scars from my initial try. We take that off. We take this off. Off with it will come your brass bearing ring. And here it is pretty much completely taken apart. Now, one feature with the FOREDOM number 10 handpiece is that you can change the tension on the lever. You do that is lock pliers over here, and then lock some pliers here, and then just untwist, and then you can do it by hand. So after that's off, the way you change the tension, as this piece can move up and down, you see down in there, it's the little hex, and you just turn it and it moves it up and down, and it's that simple. Now, if it's straight out of the factory and you have it like this and you weren't able to get the collet off before, what you do is lock these and unscrew this just a little bit, you know, just a little turn. You put this back on. You put this back on, and remember, only do these hand tight. And this only needs to go on enough for it to come down. Activate the collet, so you can do that. And then take it off. Now, the reason you always want to have a tool in the collet is because the tool size is as far as it can clamp down, and that's what it's designed to do. If it clamps down further than that, these can actually collapse upon one another. Now, the places to oil your FOREDOM 10 is this bearing here, this bearing here, a single drop here, a single drop here, and that would be it. This, you do want to do a little more than a hand tighten, simply because if you ever run your motor in reverse, it could wind that off. So you want to have that tighter than the motor is going to put torque on it. Cue the cleaning montage. time for a complete reassembly from the base. First, you put the female side of the key shank on. Second, you put the lever retainer on and key shank housing. Third, we put on the lever. Hand tighten those. Pull the lever down. Put in your collet. Put on your collet retainer. Remember, just hand tighten. Put on your brass ring. Put on your piece or your lid. Then put in your burr. And you're done with the complete cleaning maintenance of the FOREDOM handpiece.